In the digital age, everything is controlled remotely through smart
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh.
provided no plug and play, no electrician needed. The fourth one is BLS LED color changing lights with dimmer and timer. 6 LED park lights with 2 remote controls. Turn the park light on and off with the remote control or the tap lens. Remote can control all RGB lights at up to 20 feet distance. No hassle to control the battery lights even in hardly reached places. Warm white and 12 preset colors. 2 elegant color changing modes create great mood lighting. Smooth cycle through the 12 rainbow colors. Fade slowly, changing brightness of one color. The new generation LED park light can be set to turn off after 30 or 60 minutes. Convenient and energy saving. Battery lasts up to 100 hours at moderate brightness. 4 times longer than other park lights, each battery operated LED light is powered by 3 AA batteries. Actual battery life depends on different quality of batteries. Super easy to install with 3 mm adhesive types or screws. Premium 3M double-sided foam tape stick firmly yet have no residues to your furniture or wall. Great for kitchen, cabinet, wardrobe, stairs, hallway, baby room, bathroom and bedroom, showcase, bookshelf, under counter lighting, etc. Also works as emergency light in a power outage. The last but not the least, Gala 6-pack with 16 colors and 4 moods battery lights. The built-in timer will automatically shut down after 4 hours without any operation. You can also manually adjust 30 minutes, 1 hour or 3 hours. 30%, 60% and 100% brightness adjustment through the wireless remote control, or stepless adjustment by manually long pressing the puck lights. The working life of this under cabinet lights can last up to 30,000 hours and it will decorate every dark corner of your house. Each of our battery lights need 3 AA batteries to power. The working hours of 3 AA batteries is about 40 hours. Unlike bright lighting every day we use, you don't need to wire this light to render a perfect atmosphere for your wine cabinet, kitchen and closet.